How to contact Steam support. So if you're going to be using the Steam client, the actual process is still the same. So right now I'm going to be providing this as a side of an example on the web version of Steam. So head straight to your Steam account and make sure that you're fully logged in. In here, what you want to do on your home page is just go straight into the support tab. So these are gonna be the options that is generally right here for you to be able just to simply choose on what is the topic of your query. Say for example, if it's all about your account, then just head into account and then what's specifically in your account. So just if you choose on any of these options right here on the second field, you will then be redirected to log into your account for you to be able to get connected with a live support. And that's it. That is how you contact Steam support.